Hi, so I received a box full of old bananas and that was going to be chucked away. And if you know me, I hate food wastage. So I thought, let's get creative. So I made a chocolate one, peanut butter, biscoffi and jam, all handed out to the lovely neighbours on the street. Basically, you can do whatever you want, use the recipe as a foundation and get creative. It also got me thinking, what do we do when we start running out of flour or various other recipes? We're in a global crisis, we're going to run out of stuff. And also, even if we weren't in a global crisis, sometimes we don't have the money or the access to certain ingredients. So I never follow recipes. I always see what's available, tweak it. So even when I give you recipes, please just use what you can, use what you have, get creative. It really doesn't matter. In these recipes, in the banana bread, I've got ground flour, self-raising flour, plain flour, oat flour, a whole lot of stuff, and they all taste great.